So the license is for this sped up MACD, the fast MACD that I have created, which you see here at the bottom, my mouse is moving around. The sped up MACD is one that actually gives you a heads up into what could happen or what's likely to happen compared to the slower MACDs, which is the blue and red line up here. This is not a shift of the MACD. So we're not just moving the old slow MACD forward. What I've actually done is recalculated, gone through the math, recalculated the whole way MACD is being done. And you see here as an example, just immediately right now, for the US yen on H4 time frame, at this point, we see a bit of a doji there, shows you a bit of indecision. The MACD is there to translate that price action. A lot of time, everybody wants to trade price action, but they can't interpret it. They're looking at candles, they're looking at the way price is moving. They can't interpret. Use your indicators as a bit of a translation for you. With the MACD here, the slow one shows you that it's not ready to sell, shows you that it's about to cross over. So usually on a crossover strategy for the MACD is you look for the blue and red line to cross over before you look to sell. The sped up MACD that I've created for you guys actually shows that it's well into that selling zone. So if you had this fast MACD, you would be selling maybe way up there, which would have been a good 15 pips in advance of everyone else. So if you haven't already, make sure you reach out and get that fast MACD. It is entirely available to you for free. I don't charge a subscription. So watch out for the link. Make sure you get on board with that. And as a comparison, here we're looking to sell, or here we're ready to sell. If you didn't have it, you'll be still looking and thinking that it's still ready to be moving towards the upside or looking at a bit of a consolidation. So this gives you both that early entry and also the opportunity to get out of a trade and secure your profits faster and earlier compared to everyone else in the market. So this is one of those leading edge trading indicators that you want to have onto your MT4, regardless of whether you are a clean chart trader or whether you're doing price action. This is that translation for that price action trading that you're looking for. Okay, so make sure you reach out for that MACD, that faster MACD that I have created.